Say me the answer for this. For k is equal to 1 to 3 disk of k and k is equal to pi. So k is 1. When the k value is 1, disk of k will be 1. And k is equal to pi. Pi is 3.14. What will happen after that? What will be the answer? See the answer I am showing. What is the answer? Only one is correct. Say me the answer. I'll show you the code if you want. It's very simple. I am just changing the value of k inside the loop. K is 1, 2, 3, disk of k is equal to pi. So what will be the answer? I guess the answer to be B. My option is also B. We'll try. No. What is the answer? What is the thing you are observing from this? Whenever you cannot change the index value inside, you cannot assign something because index is already defined here, right? So this will take precedence over this assignment here. So initially k is 1 disk of k, and when k is equal to pi, it will not have a bigger effect. So k is equal to pi is defined inside, so it will not be overwritten. Again, it will go to the loop. K is equal to 2, it will display k. K is equal to 3, it will display 3 and n. So 1, 2, 3 is our answer. Able to understand? So you cannot override the value of the index variable inside the program. This one, what is the value of k after executing the following for loop? Once the full for loop has completed, what is the value of k? 1, 2, 3 or pi? The answer 1, 2, 3 or pi. After executing the full for loop, what is the value of k? I think it is 3. No. Before the loop is going to exit, you have an assignment here, k is equal to pi, so that will be the value. So this k is equal to pi will be assigned after all the loops have been completed. Okay, please understand that. Looping through a vector, so we are seeing how to loop through a for loop, how to loop through a vector and see the different elements. You see here, I have created a code of vector x. So x is the create a for loop to display the first 4 elements of x. Okay, so for I is equal to 1 to 4, display x of I. Okay, I am just displaying the first 4 elements of x. Name the loop variable idx. Okay, so they want to use idx. I used I. Okay, so I am replacing I by idx. Okay, I am displaying the first 4 elements of x. X is equal to 1 to 4. I can do or 1, 1, 4. So increment 1 is default, so that is not required. I can do 1 to 4. Or x is equal to 1 to 4, or idx equal to 1 to 4, display of x of idx. Modify the range of the local variable idx to start at 1, end at 5, and increment by 2. Okay, so I'm just for idx equal to starting at 1, ending at 5, incremented by 2. This of x of idx. Okay, yes, that's correct. Finding the Fibonacci series. So this is, we know what is the Fibonacci series. So we are going to use the current number is previous number plus the previous number. So you will take 2 numbers before and do that, right? So that is given as Fibonacci series. So that logic is known to you. So I'm not going to explain this Fibonacci series. Okay. plotting the gasoline values for each country. We are again into the gasoline values. So each country by country, we are going to plot. So that is done here. So here you see we are going to plot through the index of each thing and we are going to plot. So modify the code, the linear fits are found. So they are asking us to do a curve fitting here. So we have done how to fit a polynomial straight line. So we will be using polyfit command and we'll do that. So I'm not going to write the code here. We'll see how to see here. You are going to do a polyfit. So you're going to use polyfit and the order will be given as 1. 1 means I'm going to do a straight line fit. Okay, I'm not going to execute the code. Understand that whenever you're going to do a linear fit means I'm going to use polyfit command and I'm going to give the value of the polyfit command to